What if one wrong click could wipe out your entire crypto portfolio? In 2026, protecting your digital assets is more important than ever, and choosing the right crypto wallet can make all the difference. In today's countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best crypto wallets of 2026, the most secure, reliable, and feature-packed options for every type of crypto investor. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or thousands of other digital assets, these wallets offer the perfect balance of security, convenience, and advanced features. Stay until the end to discover which crypto wallet deserves the #1 spot and why it's trusted by millions worldwide. Number 5. Trezor Suite with Trezor Safe 5. Protecting your cryptocurrency starts with using a wallet you can truly trust, and the Trezor Suite, paired with the Trezor Safe 5, delivers one of the most secure and user-friendly experiences available in 2026, designed for both beginners and experienced crypto investors. This combination gives you complete control over your digital assets while keeping your private keys safely offline. The Trezor Safe 5 hardware wallet features a vibrant color touchscreen, advanced secure element protection, PIN and passphrase security, and easy backup and recovery options. When combined with Trezor Suite, users can securely buy, sell, send, receive, and manage thousands of supported cryptocurrencies from one clean and intuitive interface. The desktop and web application also includes portfolio tracking, address verification, customizable security settings, and privacy-focused features that help protect your transactions. One of the biggest advantages of Trezor Suite is its emphasis on transparency and user control. The software is regularly updated with new features, improved security, and expanded cryptocurrency support, making it a reliable long-term solution for protecting digital assets. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a diverse crypto portfolio, the platform offers a seamless experience without compromising security. The Trezor Safe 5 also supports integration with many popular third-party wallets, giving advanced users additional flexibility for staking, decentralized finance DeFi, and ENFT management. Its intuitive setup process, premium build quality, and industry-leading security make it an excellent choice for anyone serious about safeguarding their cryptocurrency. If you're looking for a powerful hardware wallet with an easy-to-use management platform, the Trezor Suite and Trezor Safe 5 provide an outstanding combination of security, convenience, and peace of mind, making them one of the best crypto wallet solutions available in 2026. Number 4. Trezor Suite 3. Trezor Suite 3 is the latest generation of Trezor's all-in-one cryptocurrency management software, designed to provide users with a secure, intuitive, and feature-rich experience for managing digital assets. Built to work seamlessly with Trezor hardware wallets, it offers industry-leading protection by ensuring private keys remain safely stored offline while allowing users to buy, sell, send, receive, and manage cryptocurrencies with confidence. The updated interface introduces improved navigation, faster performance, and enhanced usability for both beginners and experienced crypto investors. Users can easily monitor portfolio balances, track transaction history, and manage multiple accounts from a single dashboard. Trezor Suite 3 supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile solution for diversified crypto portfolios. Privacy remains a major focus of Trezor Suite 3. Advanced features such as Tor integration, discrete transaction handling, customizable security settings, and optional coin control help users maintain greater financial privacy. The software also provides phishing protection, device authentication, and regular firmware update notifications to keep wallets secure against emerging threats. In addition to wallet management, Trezor Suite 3 includes built-in cryptocurrency exchange and purchase options through trusted third-party providers, allowing users to compare rates without leaving the application. Portfolio tracking tools offer valuable insights into asset performance, while the clean, modern interface simplifies daily crypto management. Security-conscious users will appreciate support for passphrase protection, PIN management, wallet backups, and recovery options, all designed to safeguard digital assets even if a device is lost or stolen. Regular software updates continue to improve functionality, compatibility, and security while introducing new features based on community feedback. Whether you're a long-term investor, active trader, or newcomer to cryptocurrency, Trezor Suite 3 delivers a comprehensive platform that combines powerful security with ease of use. By integrating advanced privacy tools, reliable asset management, and seamless hardware wallet support, it remains one of the most trusted solutions for securely managing cryptocurrencies in 2026. Number 3. How to use labels in Trezor Suite. Labels in Trezor Suite help you organize your cryptocurrency accounts, addresses, and transactions with custom names, making it much easier to manage your portfolio. Here's how to use them. 1. Open Trezor Suite and connect your Trezor Safe 5. 2. Unlock your device with your PIN. 3. Go to the account, address, or transaction you want to organize. 4. Click the label or add label option. 5. Type a custom name, such as savings, trading wallet, mining rewards, or business funds. 6. Save the label. It will now appear whenever you view that account or transaction. If you want your labels to sync across multiple devices, enable labeling in settings and connect a supported cloud storage service such as Dropbox. If available for your version of Trezor Suite, the labels are encrypted before being stored, helping protect your privacy. Using labels makes it easier to organize multiple crypto accounts, identify wallet addresses at a glance, track personal or business transactions, manage large cryptocurrency portfolios more efficiently, reduce mistakes when sending or receiving. Crypto labels are for organization. Only they do not affect your cryptocurrency balances or security. They simply make your wallet easier to navigate and manage.